welcome to the stream. Okay, thanks guys for connecting today. I will make a short presentation about what nodl is for those who don't know yet, and then I will go through the latest update that was just released yesterday and today. So trying this new format to give you a better idea of all the new features and just do a show and tell instead of just a changelog. So for those who don't know, nodl is a Bitcoin full node. It also includes a Lightning node and many tools that you may need for your Bitcoin life, like a block explorer, mixer, wallet backends, and so on. We currently have two models to offer. The nodl 1, which is the black box, which has one SSD inside, and the nodl dojo, which has two SSDs inside in a red arrangement, so if you lose one drive you can still use your device. And it also comes with some wallet premium support for the wallet backend and mixing functionalities. So today is the day we release the very long-awaited update on the nodl software. And first I will show you how it looks when an update comes. So this is the current version 0.1.2c of my device, and here it shows me that there is a 0.1.2d version with these new features in it. And to update, I simply click on upgrade nodl and then on really upgrade. Some services will be restarted during this operation, so it's not unusual that you will lose access, especially if you are connecting through Tor to your device, because the Tor daemon will be restarted during the process. Meanwhile, I will show you on a device that is already updated. So as you can see, there is a small UI refresh. We are trying this design with the pillars, as they call it in the Bootstrap team, and I think it's pretty nice. So the new UI features are the system load, which can let you check that your device is not overloaded. Currently, when all the services are running, something between 4 and 8 is normal. And then you have the disk space. Depending on the device, you will have one or two indications. One is for the system partition, one is for the data partition. I'm sorry, no face cam today, and my camera setup is not ready yet. Another improvement in the UI is more information in the Bitcoin section. For example, the size on disk and the connected peers. That's something which was much requested by some of our users. In Lightning, you can see if it's synced to the blockchain, synced to the Lightning graph, and as well see your confirmed and total on-chain balance, as well as your local and remote Lightning balance. I will switch to another device which is running actually the Whirlpool mixer, which is this one. And here, as you can see, I can see that my wallet is currently open. If this shows no, it means that I have to launch Whirlpool GUI and unlock my wallet with my passphrase. Mine is unlocked currently, and it's mixing 2 UTXOs, and I have 21 queued for mixing. Let's go over to the full changelog to show you what else is new. So now we have a hidden service for Whirlpool GUI connection. To get that, you simply go to the Tor section and details and settings. If it's not activated yet, you have to check the box for Whirlpool CLI, save, go back to status page, and after a few minutes you can go back to the details and settings of Tor to get the onion address for Whirlpool CLI. So it should already be populated. Not yet. Okay, we'll come back later. Next feature is UI refresh. We talked about that. Added info for Bitcoin Core, LND, and Whirlpool CLI. BTC Pay Server 1070, which is the latest version as of today. It took a long time to update because we're using MySQL, or rather the fork which is called MariaDB on the nodl, and I have to work on the compatibility with MySQL every time they release a new version, so my PR was just merged into this version. We also have BTC RPC Explorer 2.2.0, which also includes a PR that I submitted, which allows to have an alternate base URL set in the configuration. It was corrected by Genocide and Kiksunil. Thanks for them to have corrected my work and merged it. We have fixes and improvements in the upgrade process. There was something very confusing until now in the upgrade process. When you were starting the upgrade, it was showing done and then starting actually the process. So now instead of showing done, it's showing starting. And also the whole process was reordered and the messages were changed to be clearer. We have Bitcoin Core 0.21.0, LND 0.12.1. We have loopd 0.12.0. It's a little unreliable right now. It keeps crashing. I still haven't found the reason of that, so if you're lucky, you can probably use it. I've used it to do a few swaps on my box, but it stops and restarts every now and then, so there is an auto restart mechanism which should take care of that. We have the latest version of RTL 0.10.1, which includes the interface to loop. We have Whirlpool CLI 0.10.10 with an updated configuration. Now it connects through localhost to the Whirlpool, the Dojo backend, so everything is much faster. And this is an important thing since we had these issues with Tor v3 hidden services being DDoSed. We have now an upgrade of the Tor service every time you upgrade the nodl software. So if you know that there is a new version of Tor, you can simply click on upgrade nodl and it will automatically install it from the official repositories, regardless of if there is a nodl update or not included. Let's go back to this device. So many people are confused about how to use RTL. You simply click on show password here, you copy this, you click on open RTL and it loads and you pass the password. Unfortunately, there is no easy way to pass the password directly from the link, so you have to go through this process. This one is empty, obviously, but yeah, and you can find loop under services here. So this is the one we just launched the update on. As you can see, it's currently installing, upgrading BTC Pay Server. It's actually recompiling it from source. And if we go back to this device, in Tor details and settings, we should now see the Whirlpool CLI onion link. So you just copy paste this link into Whirlpool GUI. We made a few tests. Apparently it works well on Linux. There are some issues on macOS that we are working with the Whirlpool team to fix. In any case, it's not nodl related, so as soon as the GUI issues will be solved, you will be able to use it. Okay, I think this is basically all we have for today. Let me check the changelog one more time. Yeah. So if anybody in the chat on YouTube or Twitch has any questions, if not, we'll just wrap it up for today and see you next time. Okay, I increase my gain next time. Okay, thank you guys. This is also recorded and will be on YouTube for anyone to watch later if you want to. And have a good day, evening, wherever you are. Bye.